Imagine a plant. You probably picture a peaceful being soaking up the sun and minding its own business. Now imagine that plant devouring an insect for lunch. That's the reality for carnivorous plants, nature's most unexpected predators. These fascinating organisms have turned the tables on the animal kingdom, evolving ingenious ways to lure, trap, and digest their prey. Forget everything you thought you knew about plants, because things are about to get wild.
So, what exactly makes a plant carnivorous? It's all about special adaptations that allow them to supplement their diet with a little extra protein. These adaptations include ingenious traps, often modified leaves, that trick unsuspecting insects. These traps might be sticky, snap shut, or even shaped like pitchers to catch their prey. But the real magic happens after the capture. Carnivorous plants also produce digestive enzymes, powerful juices that break down their prey, turning them into a nutrient-rich soup the plants can absorb. Think of it as a plant-based smoothie with a dash of bug.
The plant world is a diverse place, teeming with an incredible variety of species. Among these, carnivorous plants stand out as some of the most fascinating and unusual. The VenusFlytrap, with its iconic snapping jaws, is probably the most famous of them all. This dramatic predator has sensitive hairs that trigger its trap to slam shut in a fraction of a second, making it a nightmare for any unsuspecting fly. Once trapped, the fly is slowly digested by the plant. Then there are pitcherplants, masters of deception and patience. These cunning plants have leaves shaped like pitchers, filled with a pool of digestive fluids that break down their prey. Insects are drawn in by the sweet nectar and colorful patterns, only to find themselves slipping into the deadly pool at the bottom, where escape is nearly impossible. It's a classic case of easy come, easy go in the plant world, where survival often depends on the most unexpected strategies.
Tough times call for radical diets. But why go to all this trouble to catch a meal? Well, imagine living in a bog or swamp, where the soil is poor in nutrients. That's where most carnivorous plants call home. Over millions of years, they've adapted to these harsh environments by evolving their unusual eating habits. In these nutrient-deprived habitats, insects became a valuable source of essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, giving these plants a competitive edge. It's a classic example of you are what you eat, but with a carnivorous twist.
The evolution of carnivorous plants is a story shrouded in mystery, with scientists still piecing together the puzzle. These plants have intrigued botanists and evolutionary biologists for decades as they defy the conventional norms of plant behavior. What we do know is that these fascinating plants evolved independently on several occasions, showcasing the power of natural selection to drive innovation. Each evolutionary path is unique, yet they all converge on the same remarkable solution: carnivory. Through genetic studies and careful observation, researchers are beginning to understand the intricate mechanisms behind their traps, digestive enzymes, and their remarkable adaptation to nutrient-poor environments. These adaptations allow them to thrive where other plants would struggle to survive. It's like a detective story, but instead of a magnifying glass, we're using microscopes and DNA analysis to uncover the secrets of these botanical masterminds. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding how these plants have mastered the art of survival in such harsh conditions.
Carnivorous plants aren't just fascinating oddities, they play a vital role in their ecosystems. These remarkable plants have evolved to thrive in nutrient-poor environments by capturing and digesting insects and other small creatures. They help control insect populations and provide a unique habitat for other organisms. This insect control is crucial for maintaining the balance of their ecosystems, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. Some insects even have symbiotic relationships with these plants, laying their eggs inside their traps or feeding on the captured prey. These interactions highlight the complex and delicate web of life that exists within these habitats. But these delicate ecosystems are under threat from habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Human activities are disrupting the natural balance, putting these unique plants at risk. Protecting these fascinating plants and their habitats is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and the health of our planet. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at these natural wonders. By understanding these unique plants, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Every species, no matter how small or unusual, plays a role in the grand tapestry of nature.